Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use progress indicators. First, create my progress indicator.dart file. Then in this file, create a class myProgressIndicator. Create a static function text progress indicator. We are going to make this loader using showDialogue. Inside showDialogue, we have to pass a context and a builder. Inside the builder, we will return a center widget. Then we use material widgets to customize it. Then inside the column, we will use a text and linear progress indicator. Then complete the UI. We will set barriers dismissible to false. Basically, what it does is, if we tap outside of the barrier, then the dialog won't close. Now let's run the project. Oops, we forget to call the function. We need a function that dismisses this progress indicator. Now let's run this project. Yes, our progress indicator is working perfectly. Let's resize the indicator. Now I am going to show you we have a problem with our progress indicator. There's a widget called will pop scope. If we don't use the widget, what will happen? If we comment out these dismiss functions. Now if we hit the login button again, the progress indicator showing and barrier dismissible false is working fine. But if we use our device's back button, then the indicator will close, which we don't want. So now we have to use will pop scope and will pop to false. Now let's try this again. Yes, now it's working perfectly. To hide the keyboard, we have to unfocus the focus scope. Thanks for watching this. In the next video, we will learn about snack bars. See you next time.